There we're going. June 20th, 2020, 5:45 p.m. Right now, this very moment is the summer solstice. So this is it. Pika Summer right now. Exactly. So yeah, my long internodes are doing good here. Got about 20 of them. And these went from half-gallon bags into these pots about 3 weeks ago maybe. And look at that one's got a double shoot there. This one's got a pepper plant growing out of it. That one's got a brand new pair of shoots, 2 out of there. This one only has 3 culms, 3 little shoots out of there, but it's got that's a new one. That little leaf got bent and curled all up under there. Focus a little, there we go. This one's got a, oh yeah, there's got a brand new shoot too, right there. Apparently people can watch my videos and spot shoots better than I can see them. But yes, summer solstice right now. I'm gonna go see if my biggest sunflower is. There's one of my little ones. Got a bunch in a bag there. Oh, I gotta get that pepper tree out of there. I hate pepper trees. Excited to see this here yesterday. It's getting much bigger already. 3 or 4 inches yesterday. Wait, have I been recording this whole time? I've been walking. Oh my god. Alright, well I screwed that all up. But there it is. There's my biggest sunflower just starting to open. Like 8 foot tall. My biggest one ever. Got a whole bunch of them there going. And yeah, my land clearing project over here is going pretty well. I put in these palm branches to give my new plants some shade. This polymorpha over here is doing pretty good since I put it in. It's got a nice big shoot down there. Get out of that. So that's looking nice. Planted some grass in here. Another little clump over there. It's kind of weeds really. Oh no! See, now that's a rabbit there. Those were 3 sunflowers, and now there's 3 little stumps. Whole flower's gone too. Wow, he must have been really hungry. Ate the whole thing. I put some aloe over here. I don't know if it's liking that full sun. We'll have to see. Some membranaceous here. This one's doing okay. Starting to get some shoots. And that's about it for the summer solstice. Might get a little rain this afternoon. Oh, I remember something else here. My giganteus has just passed a year. Where did it go? Which one is it? This one right here. This one just hit a year. 6/19, yesterday, Juneteenth, last year I got this. So June 20th is a year and 1 day. And when I got this, it was Let's see if we can find the original. I don't think so. But it was like that small. See that spaghetti-sized piece right there? It was smaller than that. It was just one little leaf is all it was. And now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 culms and a big weed. So that's about it for summer solstice. Cut.